Hello friends, in this tutorial we will understand what is complexity of an algorithm. Standard definitions state that complexity of an algorithm is a measure of the amount of time and space required by an algorithm for an input of a given size, n. Here time means total time required by the algorithm to run till its completion, and space means what are the resources used by the algorithm to run till its completion. Likewise, whatever happening in our world, two things always required. One is time, and another is resource, nothing but a space. Let us consider the example: Peter runs a coffee shop. Every day 100 of people's coming to his shop for taking black coffee. In order to make black coffee and serve to the customer, Peters need filtered water, coffee beans, water kettle, mugs, oven, physical shop and seating space for the customer. Here total amount of time, and the resources required to prepare the coffee, is nothing but a complexity for running the coffee shop. If Peter spends more time to prepare the coffee, then he might not serve 100 people in a day, and if he utilizes more source to serving 100 customers in a day, then Peter's earning profit will be less. Similarly, if he will reduce time and resource for serving same number of customers, his earning profit will be more. So this is important to measure these factors before writing any algorithm, as less time and utilization of the resources always increase the performance of an algorithm. Here, time and space are inversely proportional to the complexity.